going on YouTube? DapperxDan here. Another beautiful day here in Colorado. Alright, what's up guys? Today we're going to do the first mod on the 68. We got one of the pop-open gas caps. I can do this with my right hand. You go like this. And it pops open like that, and you put the gas in. It has a built-in gas cap right here. It's pretty easy. It took some assembly to get it all put together, and then we're just gonna screw it in there. We're just gonna go install it right now. It's not gonna really film that because the lighting is horrible right now. It's winter time, so it gets dark at like 4:30. We're not gonna film that though, but you guys will see this on another video anyway. So we're gonna get that installed real quick, and yeah, that's the first mod. And there you guys go. Hopefully it's light enough. Lighting shouldn't be too bad, but you just go right here, and there you go. There's the gas cap right there. Aw, puppy! How about this? How about this? He's not even paying attention to me. He doesn't have a care in the world. Oh yeah, here's my favorite turn. Oh my gosh, you're so stupid! People need to learn how to drive. But anyway guys, I'm gonna hit my favorite turn up real quick and then we will sign off. Hopefully the sun won't be in my eyes. Get the tires a little warmed up here. Get all the dirt or gravel that might have been on them off. Notice obey speed limit. Sharp curves ahead. They're not that sharp. There we go. Pass them on the inside. Here we are. Woo! You better stay. Oh my gosh, you're so stupid. You gotta ruin everything. Get low! Oh my gosh. It's partially my fault, but definitely people do not know how to drive today. Anyway guys, that's all I got for right now. I'm going to continue enjoying this beautiful weather that we're having today. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked today's video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button. It really helps out. And leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching and have a good day. Later.